Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2019 Suzuki Bergman 400. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2019 Suzuki Bergman with 955 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with a GV passenger backrest and a GV windshield. Powered by a 398cc single-cylinder engine, the Bergman puts out 30 horsepower and 26 foot-pounds of torque through an automatic transmission. With a 3.6-gallon fuel capacity, the Bergman has a 150 to 180-mile range. It has a 28-inch seat height and a 489-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 630 seconds and the rear at 930 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this vehicle so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this vehicle's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scratch on the front fender and scrapes on the lower fairing. This vehicle has an owner's manual, a toolkit, and one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This vehicle has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repair, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days and/or 1,000 miles, and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.